Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Thursday, the 17th of September. So yesterday, the Fed announcement didn't bring any relief for the market. Stocks pumped and dumped on Fed financial stability fears. As I've said before, there's a lot going to be going on going forward. So many things that can create the perfect storm. Brexit, the US election, potential second wave, potential second lockdown of the global economy. So things are going to start heating up as the weather gets colder as far as the virus is concerned. And then again, you've got all of the political tinderbox possibilities as well. So yesterday the Fed left rates unchanged. Powell, like I say, had nothing to say that would shore up the market, and prices overnight have moved lower. Now yesterday I spoke about how quiet the markets were likely to be, and they were. There were no signals in the morning session or in the afternoon session as prices traded in a very tight range waiting for the Fed. And then once the Fed announcement came in, you can see prices moving higher on the DAX, and then they moved lower. And overnight, the market has no confidence whatsoever. Prices have dropped 150 points so far. Volatility is back. We can see them buying back in here with that type of price bar that I mentioned before. And at the moment, prices are, let's just compress the chart and have a look, see where we are. We're way below the low of yesterday, and we're sitting at the support 2, and support 3 is down here. Now support 3, if the market trades to this, generally prices will hold, but if they break, then we just continue with new lows. And the best way to see this is through the daily chart. And here you can see that prices are lower on the overnight. They've traded down to the 20 bar moving average, and they're currently sitting. Actually, this is the wrong way around, so let me just get rid of those. That's on the upside. So on the downside, let's have a look, see where we've got to move to the downside. So from this low to this high, we're already at 38% here. So 38 and 50 are going to be crucial. Make a note of these two numbers in the intraday chart because they're important. They're the first ones. If we break the 50, then we head down to the 62. I mean, conversely, we can switch and move around and head back to the 78 up here as well. But it'll take an awful lot to do that in the one day, but never say never. All you need is a Treasury announcement, some new scheme, and the market turns around and moves higher. The same in the Dow as well. If we have a quick look, the Dow is down 360 points on the overnight. Big move to the downside there. Have a look at the daily chart. You can see here also prices moving lower. Big move for the overnight. Not seen that for a while. And again, you've got that same sort of Fibonacci setup there. Let me just get rid of this. So at the moment, already at the 38 and 50. And again, watch the 62 for the Dow daily as well. News. What have we got today? Let's have a look. Thursday. This is the news for today. We've got MPC official bank rate vote. That's all 9 members to keep rates on hold. Monetary policy summary. Official bank rate is out at midday as well. Expected to remain unchanged, I would imagine so. And then over to the US, we've got just the Philly Fed and unemployment claims. Again, another 800,000. I must do a total of these just to see where we're at. The 60 million that I sort of predicted back in March can't be too far off for the US employment or unemployment claims. There is no implied volatility. The site that I used for that, I've not updated it, and I have a funny feeling that it's no longer going to be free. So I need to investigate that to bring the charts up to date. But it was on the decline as up to yesterday, but of course that will have spiked to the upside. Okay, so there's not a lot else to report. We've got the volatility, obviously overnight, prices moving lower. No doubt we can expect a bounce, and we'll see what the market does as we get closer to the open. Let's just have a quick look here, see where we are. Prices say have bounced off this buying here, moving back to the upside. And again, I'm just going to squeeze the chart a bit, see where we've got the 200 MA there, and then back to the low. So if prices can't close back above yesterday's low, if there's a rally at the start, then we head back down and retest the S3. Well, not retest it, we actually go and have a look at it, and that'll be an important area should prices trade down to this level. Okay, that's it for this one. And as I say, it's short and brief, just a quick roundup and a look at where we're going today. So as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.